Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 로즈입니다. And today we are gonna study easy Korean word. 오늘은 저희가 쉬운 한글 단어들을 공부해 볼 거예요. Then let's have a look. 그럼 한번 볼까요? Before the start, we're gonna review the last lesson. 시작하기 전에 지난번 공부했던 영상들을 복습해 볼게요 한번. Drum in Korean is 북, 북. And medication in Korean is 약, 약. And crane is kind of animal. Birds in Korean is 학, 학. And rice in Korean is 밥, 밥. And house in Korean is 집, 집. And cup in Korean is cup, cup. So these are reused ending consonant 기역, 기역 받침을 사용한 단어들이 북, 약, 학이었고요. We studied and we used that ending consonant 비읍, 받침, 비읍을 사용한 단어들이 밥, 집, 컵이었습니다. And today we're gonna study these words. 오늘은 이 단어들을 공부해 볼 거예요. So, first one. So, here is same words, 나 plus ending consonant something. This is 니은, n plus I is 나, 나. And we're gonna combine something ending consonants. So first one, 나 plus ending consonant 받침 시옷이 있네요. So this is not, 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 not. Not is sickle, sickle. Sickle in Korean is not. It's kind of farm tools when you doing the agriculture implement. Sickle, not. And this is also 나 plus ending consonant 받침 지읒, 지읒이 사용됐으니 not, not. So this is also not, and this is also not. Same pronunciation. So 나 plus ending consonant 지읒 is not. Not is daytime, daytime. So not, sickle, not, daytime. Same pronunciation is but different means. Sickle in Korean is not. Daytime in Korean is not. Not. And next. And these are same. 파, because 비읍 plus 아 is 파. 파 plus something ending consonant we're gonna combine. First one, 파 plus ending 자음 받침 기역이 붙으면 박, 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 박. 박 is gold, gold. It's kind of fruit. Gold in Korean is 박, 박. And next, 파 plus ending consonant 비읍 is 밥, 밥. 밥 is rice. Rice in Korean is pop, pop. And last one, 파 plus ending consonant, 받침, 티읕이 붙었네요. So this is pot, pot, pot. Pot in Korean is farm or field. When you can do planting or farming, you can do field or farm. In Korean is pot, pot. Okay, so I'm gonna speak everything one more time. Sickle in Korean is not, not. And daytime in Korean is not, not. And also, for example, then nighttime. Nighttime in Korean is 밤, 밤, 밤. So nighttime in Korean is 밤 and daytime is not. So not 밤, not 밤. Okay. And next, gold in Korean is 박, 박, and rice in Korean is 밥, 밥, and farm, field in Korean is 밭, 밭. So that's all for me today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 좋아요와 구독하기 눌러주세요, 여러분. Then see you later, guys. 다음에 봐요. 뿅.